Good morning, students. Let us solve for practice set 4.1 today. So, first question, I am going to only read the question and solve the sums. From the following pairs of numbers, find the reduced form of ratio of first number to the second one, reduced, cancellation, and bring it in the simplest form. In this first question, first one I am going to solve, that is 72 and 60 given. So 72 and 60, 72 by 60, reduced form, cancellation. See, 6 12 is 72, 6 10 is 60. Again 12 by 10 is remaining, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. So therefore it is equal to 6 by 5 and that is equal to 6 is to 5. So this is the reduced form. In question number 2, in the same manner you have to solve the other questions. Question number 2, find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to the second. First quantity to the second one. So you see this in this question number 2, third one. 5 liters given. 5 liters and 250 milliliters. You have to find the ratio of in the reduced form. So this is given, this quantity ratio, when we find out, both should be of the same quantity. You have learned in the properties of ratios. So this is 5 liters and this is 2500 milliliters given. So liters is a greater quantity, milliliter is a smaller quantity. So liters must be converted into milliliters. So 5 liters is equal to 5000 milliliter, because you know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Yes, therefore 5 liters equal to 5000 milliliter. Therefore you have to find the simplest form of 5000 is to 2500. So that will give you 5000 by 2500. 0 0 cancels, it is equal to 50 by 25. 25 ones are 25 twos are, that is equal to 2 by 1 and that is equal to 2 is to 1 in the simplest form. Then question number 3. In this here, now fourth question. It is given 3 years 4 months and 5 years 8 months. We have to find the reduced form of this. Now 3 years 4 months. 3 years contains how many months? Both the quantities must be of months. So 3 into 12. 1 year has 12 months plus this 4 months. Next one is again 5 into 12 plus 8. So 12 3 is 36 plus 4. And this is here 12 5 is 60 plus 8. So this is 30. If we add this, we get 40 months. And this is here 68 months. So the reduced form will be 40 by 68. Two twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. That is equal to 20 by 34. Again 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2 sevens are 40. So that is equal to 10 by 17 and that is equal to 10 is to 17. We got the reduced form. In this question number 5 and 6 is the reduced portion of your this 2020 because of the pandemic year. Now let us go directly with the third question. Express the following percentage as ratio in the reduced form. Express the following percentage as ratios in the reduced form. Percentage, like third question. Go to the third question. Remaining is your homework. Third question is 6.25 percentage. That means it can be written as 6.25 by 100. Percentage is always by 100. So the ratio is formed. But we'll take out the pointer so that our work becomes easy. By 100, after taking out, after 0.2 digits are there, so to put 2 zeros extra. So here we get 25, 25 is 625, 25 4 is 100, 0 0 left. 5 5 are 25, 5 8 are 40, 0, that is equal to 5 by 80. 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, carry 3, 5 6 is 30, that is equal to 1 by 16, and that is equal to 1 is to 16. In this manner. So the percentage is converted to ratio. This is the third one. The remaining you can do it. Now fourth question. See, 3 persons can build a small house in 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? 3 persons can build a small house in 8 days. So, to build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? Now here see, this question is based on 3 persons build a small house in 8 days. So that means work, number of person and the time taken for the work. Number of persons. Here number of person and time taken to do the work is taken. To do the work is taken. So this is an example of inverse variation. Inverse variation or inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Therefore, the number of person into time, number of the product of. Therefore, product of number of person and time is constant. Therefore, we will get. So let us take. Therefore, let number of persons to build the same house in 6 days. Number of persons needed in 6 days to do the work be X. Therefore, product is constant. So, X into 6 is equal to 3 into 8. Because 3 persons can build the house in 8 days, and how many persons can build the house in 6 days? So they are constant because it's a example of inverse variation. So X is equal to, we have to find X here, 3 into 8 by 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Therefore X is equal to 4. Therefore 4 persons are needed. 4 persons can complete the work. in 6 days. So let us go with the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Here. Convert the following ratios into percentage. Very simple. You have to, second one, 47:50 given. Write it in the ratio form and is in this form. Multiply this rational number or this fraction by 100. Always, because we have to convert it into percentage. So 51 is 50, 52 is 100. So 47 multiplied by 2 equal to as 2 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 4 is 8, 1, 9, 94%. So also other questions also you can do the same manner. Now let us go with the sixth question. The ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. At the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present age of Abha and her mother. That means when Abha was born, her mother's age was 27 years. That means the age difference of mother and the daughter is 27 years. The ratio of the Abha and her mother is given at, that is, let us take her ratio of Abha's age and mother's age. Ratio of Abha and her mother's age is given as 2:5. So let us take, let the common multiples be as, let the common multiples, we have to take multiples be as x. Multiples be x. Therefore, Abha's present age, we can take present age is 2x years and mother's present age is 5x years. We know that their age difference is by condition. Correct? Their age difference is 27 years. So by condition given, that is 5x minus 2x. Mother's age minus daughter's age is equal to as 27. So it forms an equation. So this is 3x is equal to 27. So x value is equal to 27 by 3. So x is equal to 3 9 is 27. Therefore, present age of Abha is equal to as 2x, that is equal to 2 into 9, that is equal to 18 years. And present age of mother is equal to 5x, that is equal to 5 into 9, that is equal to 45 years. So this is the solution of the sixth question. Practice set 4.1 is solved. So question number 7 and 8 is cancelled. Now let us go to the next topic, that is comparison of ratios. So how to compare ratios, the rules of comparing ratios. If A by B and C by D are two ratios, then A cross product AD, then if AD is greater than BC, then A by B is greater than C by D. One way of, this is one comparison. And if AD is less than BC, then we can say that A by B is lesser or smaller than C by D. Third rule, that is, if AD is equal to BC, then A by B is equal to C by D. These are the rules of comparing ratios. Let us solve practice set 4.2. Question number 1. In this, look here. Using the property as A by B, using property AK by BK. Using this property, we will only first one I am going to solve, remaining you will solve. 5 by 7 is equal to as, it is given here 28, here dash, you have to fill up the gap. This is equal to equal ratios, 35 by here dash, this is equal to as 3.5, here also we have to fill up the gaps. Using this ratio C, A by B is equal to AK, constant K, multiplied. Both numerator and denominator is multiplied. So 7 4s is 28, so 5 4s are 20. This one is 5 7s is 35, so 7 7s are 49. Here this is 7 5s is 35, but 0.5 taken, 7 multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 7 by 35, 3.5 we got. In the same manner, 5 multiplied by 0.5 you will get 5 by the 25, that is 2.5. So here comes 2.5. This is over of question number 1. Now let us go with the question number 2. Here, find the following ratio. The ratio of, see the first one, find the ratios. First one, the ratio of radius to circumference of a circle. Ratio of radius. Ratio of radius to circumference. Circumference of a circle. So, let the ratio be, let the radius be. Let the radius be as R. Let us take. So, therefore, circumference is equal to, use the formula, is equal to 2 pi R. This is the circumference. The ratio, therefore, the ratio of this is what? R is to 2 pi R. That is R by 2 pi R. R gets cancelled. So it is equal to, here nothing remains. 1 is to 2 pi. That is, now second question. Here. Second question is the ratio of circumference of a circle with radius R to its diameter. You have to, to its area, you have to find the ratio. The ratio of circumference of a circle with radius as R given and its area. So, circumference is to area, we have to find the ratio. So, radius of the circle, radius of circle given as is as R. So, circumference will be equal to as, circumference is equal to as 2 pi R. And area is equal to as area of circle. Area of circle is equal to as pi R square. Pi R square. So, therefore, ratio of circumference is to area. So circumference is 2 pi r upon pi r square. This can be solved as 2 pi r upon pi r into r. One r gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. So therefore we are remained with the 2:pi. Sorry, 2:radius. Only one radius. Now in this question only, let us go with the third one. Third one, that is the ratio of diagonal of a square to its side. If the length of a side is 7 centimeter. So, side of square given, side of square is equal to 7 centimeters. So, diagonal of square, diagonal of a square, diagonal of square is equal to 2 into root of side into 2 into root of 2 into side. Root of 2 into side. So that is equal to diagonal of the square will be equal to as, that is 7 root of 2. Diagonal of this square is equal to as 7 into root 2. That is side into root 2. Or root 2 into side, it's the same thing. Now we have to find out ratio of diagonal of a square to its side if the length ratio of the diagonal of a square to its side. So find a ratio of diagonal is to side. So diagonal is 7 root of 2 upon side is 7. So 7 cancel. So it is root of 2 is to 1. Fourth question. Now here see, the length of the side of a rectangle are 5 centimeters. Length of side of a rectangle are 5 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. That is length equal to, given as 5 centimeters of a rectangle, and breadth is equal to as 3.5 centimeters. Now we have to find the ratio of its perimeter to area. So let us find out perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to as 2 into length plus breadth. That is equal to 2 into length. 2 into length is 5 plus breadth 3.5. That is equal to 2 into, that is 8.5, and that is equal to 2 5 is 10, carry 1, 2 is 61, 17. That is equal to 17 centimeters. Now area. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So length is 5 centimeters into breadth 3.5, that is equal to 5. 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 is 15, 16, 17, 17.5. We have to find the ratio of perimeter to area. So ratio of perimeter is to area. So perimeter, that is 17 is to 17.5. That is, we can take it like this, 17 by 17.5. So 0.5 is there. Now to take out the pointer, you add 1 0 here, 170 by 175. Point is gone. So now 5s are You can cancel it by 5s. 5, 5 3s is 15, 16, 17, 2 is remaining, 5 4s are 20. Now this is 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, carry 2, 5 5s are 25. So this is equal to as 34 is to 35, or we can write it as 34 by 35. In this form also we can write.